Self-defense is a growing concern for many people, and there are several gadgets available in the market to help individuals feel safer in different situations. One such gadget is a hidden blade designed by an artist known as Roos Creations, inspired by the hidden blade in the game Assassin's Creed. This improved version of the gadget is stronger and faster and has the precise adjustment of the chord and the ability to install a ring of the right size. The files for 3D printing are available online, making it easy to create your own version. Two. Another gadget that can provide confidence and protection is a pepper gel gun. The gun fires a special pepper gel that disarms the aggressor and marks them with UV dye to make police work easier. The gun has a range of 15 feet, which is about 20 farther than classic pepper sprays and is much safer to shoot indoors. One cartridge is enough for 13 shots, and a training target is included for practice. 3. Body armor is also becoming more innovative and practical, with some models costing at least $300 and protecting from both hits and bullets. The armor level is 3A, which means the model is designed to stop most handgun rounds, including the .44 Magnum. The armor is easy to hide under a jacket or sweater, and has TenPoint adjustment with 4 main straps complemented by 2 shoulder straps. 4. A karambit knife is another self-defense gadget that is gaining popularity. The knife is designed to be held in a reverse grip and has a curved blade. The Caswell knife is a special design that allows you to quickly and safely open the knife with your thumb, and it weighs just over 4.7 ounces with a 2.47-inch blade. The built-in clip makes it easy to store the knife, and it is available for $100. 5. For women who enjoy running but are concerned about their safety while running early in the morning or late at night, there are several gadgets available. A claw ring made of fiberglass reinforced nylon can be worn on the index, middle, or ring finger of the leading hand and looks like a fashion accessory. A knife and pepper spray bundle is also available for $21. And a wristband with a knife and paracord can be used for self-defense and survival in both urban and outdoor settings. Seven. The wristband, a versatile gadget that can help you in various situations. It combines a knife and a decent supply of paracord, making it useful for hiking, hunting, and fishing. But it's also handy in urban conditions, such as opening parcels or unscrewing screws. You can choose from different models, including a mini compass and other options. The simpler version is only 11 inches long and comes with 11.5 feet of paracord. The metal blade insert is removable and can be used as a keychain. It's available in 6 colors and is handmade. 8. For concealed carry, we have a knife optimized for self-defense. Made of Japanese airs, 6 steel, the blade is easy to sharpen and allows you to sting an intruder at the most unexpected moment. The knife comes with a nylon sheath and costs only $16. Although some users note that additional sharpening is required before the first use, one review promises it will go undetected until right when you need it. 9. Protect yourself from accidents and robbery with the Protekkt Team gadget. It combines a flashlight, a 120 decibel alarm, a seatbelt cutter, and 2 steel tips. It weighs only 3.8 ounces and is 5.6 inches long. The gadget has been successfully tested, even by an Austrian anti-terrorist unit, and costs about $33. Check out the legality of brass knuckles in your country before you buy one for your own safety. In Canada, Hong Kong, the UK, and Turkey, brass knuckles are banned, but they are legal in Brazil, Italy, and Mexico. For a budget-friendly option, consider the Torque X Slingshot. With an asymmetric design, it offers 2.9 ounces of weight, a full length of 5 inches, and 20% increased frame width. The Slingshot allows you to hit a 0.8-inch diameter target at 49 feet, and it costs only $25. A nice addition is the 2 bands included and 4 color option. If you're a fan of crossbows, meet the world's fastest crossbow. With an arrow flight speed of 505 feet per second, it can outrun a Formula One car. The crossbow costs about $3,000 and is a triumph of high technology, advanced optics for precise shooting at 100 yards, a special system that makes cocking the crossbow easier and safer, and Evo X carbon arrows. It weighs about 8 pounds and has a noise reduction system that makes it a great option for hunting. Lastly, if you're stressed at work and need to blow off some steam in a more or less civilized way, we have just the gadget for you. This gun shoots rubber bands up to 20 feet away, providing an outlet for your frustration. The comfortable grip allows you to take it with you even for a jog. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible new technology and invention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. We love exploring the latest advancements in technology and bringing them to you. Stay tuned for our next video, where we showcase more cutting-edge inventions and technologies that are shaping the world we live in. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Tech Evo. Technology Evolution.